So as I'm experimenting here, this is only about 6 or 7 millimeters in diameter, which has built up the pipe with the Kevlar cloth. It's going to be multiple layers and not very effective in using up a significant amount of Kevlar. So what I've decided to do is to put some it's about 10 to 12 millimeters of cardboard on the back. Cardboard's very light, just as a former, and I'll wrap the Kevlar cloth around that, and this is sufficient to get one layer all the way around that, going around the thing. But what that will do is it will give a stronger in this direction, because there will be a larger diameter in that direction. If necessary, what I will also do is put one on this side as well at some point, and do a wrap on that, so we end up with an L shape on here. Just was very much seeing how it goes on I think. But the larger the diameter, obviously, the more rigid the structure it becomes. This is the base, so the airflow will come out from here, and I'm going to make one of those. What's the name of the things? All the sports cars and the things have them. The high performance cars have them. Diffuser, rear diffuser. That's it. So at some point I want to put a rear diffuser on here to keep the air together. Going to be interesting on this one. You can see it's the actual bamboo, although it was the correct length measured from there to there, it does actually wiggle a bit, which is going to be interesting to deal with. But I think once that's underneath the panels, remember the panels will go on the outside and stop any wobbling of things. These are, even when there's Kevlar on those are going to wobble about. But if you've got a flat panel, to which the middle and a couple of other locations is tied, it ain't going anywhere. So remember, we're not relying at all on the structural strength of these pipes. These are simply to keep these at a set distance apart, these nodes at a set distance apart, and we'll be critically relying on interconnect between these, at multiple points with the panels, to ensure that they that the whole structure remains rigid. So that one, okay. I did have to push the thing. Once it had set a little bit, I just pushed it with my fingers so that it adhered to the pipe itself underneath. I had to do that in a number of places. The proper way that I'm told that you're supposed to do this is to put some resin on and leave it until it becomes gel-like, and then you can start to wrap the cloth, and it will stick. So when you pull, when you start pulling to get the tension, to get air bubbles, so that you don't end up with air bubbles inside it, it doesn't slide off. But now we've got a first layer on, I think we should get some adhesion. It's when the pipe was smooth that it starts to roll off if you try to pull it. I think things will go slightly better this time, and on here, this one, it will be easier, I think, as well. So yeah, lots of experimentation. By the time we're through, we'll become an expert in cloth resin wrapping, that's for sure. All right, thank you.